Welcome back, friends. Welcome to another video from Shomu's Biology, and in this video we are going to talk about antibiotic mechanism of action mnemonics. So if you struggle regarding remembering the antibiotic mechanism of action, which antibiotic works where, which is 30th stability inhibitor, which is 50th inhibitor, basically which is protein synthesis inhibitor, which is cell wall biosynthesis inhibitor, which is DNA synthesis inhibitor, and the metabolic purine biosynthesis inhibitor. If you want to know about all this and you need to recall that, remember that, then this video is just for you, because here I am going to share a simple mnemonic that will help you to remember the antibiotic mechanism of action. So the mnemonic here is GCPC malt protein. This is what you need to remember. GCPC can be remembered like a jibber jabber thing. GCPC malt protein. This is what all you need to know. So when you know this, you can start with GCPC. Start with G for glycopeptides, C for carbapenems, P for penicillins, and C for cephalosporins. Okay, so glycopeptides, carbapenem, penicillin, cephalosporin, all four are inhibitor of cell wall synthesis. So they are cell wall biosynthesis inhibitors. So GCPC of the GCPC malt protein deals with the cell wall biosynthesis inhibitor. Then malt protein, malt will be related to protein synthesis inhibitor. Malt protein. Okay, so you say malt protein means protein synthesis inhibitor. So M for macrolides, inhibit protein synthesis. A for aminoglycosides, inhibit protein synthesis. L for lincosamides, inhibit protein synthesis. T for tetracycline, inhibit protein synthesis. Although this particular mnemonic will not help you to remember exactly whether this inhibitor of protein synthesis are up against 30th inhibition or 50th subunit inhibitor, but you get to know about whether they are protein synthesis inhibitor or they are cell wall biosynthesis inhibitor or not. So GCPC malt protein will give you an idea about the list of 8 different classes of antibiotics belonging to cell wall biosynthesis inhibition or protein biosynthesis inhibition. But apart from that, there are 2 more types. One is the DNA synthesis inhibitor, which is kind of unique. And remember, I told you fluoroquinolones for that that are DNA synthesis inhibition. So you can easily remember that. You don't need any mnemonic. And sulfonamides is inhibition of sulfo, F for folate or folic acid synthesis pathway, deals with this folic acid biosynthesis pathway. So sulfonamides inhibit folate biosynthesis, and fluoroquinolones inhibit DNA replication by degrading the DNA. Okay, so these are the 2 that you need to remember separately, but I think you can remember that because out of 10, 8 are clearly remembered. GCPC deals with the cell wall biosynthesis inhibition. Malt protein, as malt says protein, so malt is dealing with the protein biosynthesis inhibition. And apart from the sulfonamides, F for O means folate, folic acid biosynthesis inhibitor, and fluoroquinolones, DNA replication inhibitor. So that kinds of concludes regarding the antibiotics mechanism of action mnemonic and how to remember antibiotic mechanism of action with the help of this simple mnemonic. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to this channel to get more and more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.